Um, my name's Derek, and I want to show the website I made. So it's at nextlevelsequel.com, and it'll hopefully get you stronger in SQL by deep diving data sets and solving problems. So you can kind of think of this as your own personal SQL gym. So how it works is you pick a data set at the top. Right now we have one data set right now, about diet month. And then you can investigate an issue by solving 10 SQL problems for that data set. So you can see there's 10 problems on the same data set. And this is great because rather than having to learn a new data set for every problem, you get to just learn the data set once and then do the fun stuff, which is writing code on a data set that you know of, and very common to how you'll be working once in your job querying data. And then finally, after you've investigated the issue by solving the problems, then you can write an email to your stakeholder sharing your findings and recommendations. So if you're on your phone, welcome, but currently not meant to be used on a phone, mostly just it's just intended to be used on a computer. So please come back with your computer. And if you're considering whether this website's right for you to learn SQL, you can go here. So if you're interviewing or you're interested in using SQL to pull visualize your model data, or you're currently doing it, then I think it could be a good platform for you to learn. Let's get into it. So first we're gonna log in. I've already made an account before. So I'm gonna type in my information. Great. And then go to the first problem. So this is the data set. So you've had some long-term health problems and you're trying to track your diet. So your nutritionist says to track your eating and sleep and stress and activity over the course of a month. And your nutritionist says based on for macronutrients, they advise you to get between 45 and 65 total calories from carbs, 10 to 35% from protein, and 20 to 35% from fat. And so you just finished logging the data and you're ready to analyze the data. So you want to know the days in which you got the right proportion of calories from carbs. So you want to write a query to find the days in which you got between 45% and 65% of your calories from carbs. And so you can see and you also want to sort by day. So you can see how it works. So the data kind of looks like this with a day, calories total, and calories carbs, and day, calories total, calories carbs, and percent calories carbs. So we want to find the days where you got between 45 and 65% of your calories from carbs. So you can see a sample data set here. So just 3 days, and you can see that February 2nd is missing because you got less than the ideal 45% of calories on the day. You only got 42%. But the other days you do get between 45 and 65%. And this question is called the freebie question because you can get the answer. So as you get more familiar with the platform. So you'll get some experience like translating the problem into code. And then what we can do now is you could copy paste it, but I'll write it. So we pick out our fields from the base table, calories total, calories carb, and day. And then we can find the percentage as just the ratio between the previous two columns. Okay, and then, right. Okay, and you want to know whether that percentage is between 45 and 65. And then we multiply by 100 to turn it into a percentage. And then we want to make sure we order by day to make sure it's correct. So let's see if that works. That's correct. Great. And now it's solved. So now that we solve this problem, we go to the next problem. And same problem, and you're a bit nervous, you skipped a day of recording. So write a query to find the distinct days sorted by day. So this is, I call it an easy problem. So you can see kind of the same data set, day, calories total, calories carb, and then you want to print out the days, all the distinct days. So here it'd be Feb 1, Feb 2, and Feb 3. So how do you think you would solve this problem? So feel free to come join the fun and practice your SQL here. It's currently free and hope you can join. Thank you very much.